In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grant accountant access to QuickBooks Online. This is a simple process that should take just a few minutes to complete, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to sign in to QuickBooks Online. Open your web browser, navigate to the QuickBooks website, and locate the Sign In option. Once you see that, go ahead and click on it. When prompted, select QuickBooks Online from the options presented. This will direct you to the login page specific to QuickBooks Online access. Next, you will need to provide your login credentials. Enter your username or email and your password in the appropriate fields. Once you've entered these details, hit the Continue button to proceed. Now bear in mind that it's essential to ensure that your login information is correct to avoid any unnecessary delays. So double check for any typos before continuing. Once you're successfully logged in, turn your attention to the left-hand menu and find the My Accountant tab. This section is designed to help you manage the access and collaboration settings with your accounting professional. Go ahead and click on the My Accountant tab and you'll be brought to a page where you can invite your accountant and manage existing permissions. Now locate the field asking you to type in the email address of your accountant. This field is where you'll enter the email of the accountant you wish to invite. Be sure to enter the correct email address to ensure the invitation reaches them promptly. Mistakes here can prevent your accountant from receiving the necessary access, so accuracy is key. After entering the email address, your next move is to click the Invite button. This action sends an email invitation to your accountant, guiding them on how to access your QuickBooks Online account. It's wise to notify your accountant separately, letting them know you've sent the invitation. A quick follow-up could help them find the invite in case it gets lost in their inbox or mistakenly marked as spam. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully granted accountant access to QuickBooks Online. This process not only facilitates smooth collaboration between you and your accountant, but also ensures that your financial data is managed expertly. Remember, providing access is an important step toward efficient bookkeeping and financial management. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.